Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make these with Blender. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, go to add, mesh and cube. Let's open add cube settings and change size. Okay, and we can change scale. Go to scale tool and change scale like this. Also change scale like this. Okay, and after scaling, let's hold Ctrl A and select here scale. Okay, so let's click tab, and right now let's right mouse and subdivide. Again, right mouse, subdivide, and again, and select mode face selection and select all these faces. Okay, after selecting, let's Ctrl B and make bevel like this. Okay, and let's press E for extrusion and let's extrude in. Okay, very nice. So in this time, select this face and right mouse, go to separate and selection. Okay, let's click tab, select this face, right mouse, set origin and origin to geometry. In this time, let's move to left. Okay, let's click tab, select this face model and press E, make extrusion like this. Okay, select this face and let's press I for inset. Let's inset like this. Okay, and again press E and extrude to like this. Okay, let's click tab and select this model. Again, right mouse, set origin and origin to geometry and move to inside like this. Okay, let's move to inside. So in this time, let's move to left, click tab, select this face, press S and change scale like this. Okay, and press E again for extrusion and move to left like this. Okay, pretty good. And click tab, select this model and move to left like this. So let's go to here and enable cavity. Let's select this cube and cube 1, move to left, go to add, mesh and cylinder. Change segments for more smooth, let's change 60. And deep, let's change like this. Let's click tab, select this edge selection and let's hold Alt double click. Also hold Shift Alt and click here for select two faces and Ctrl B for bevel. And change mouse scroll for add segments. Okay, click tab and right mouse, shade smooth. Change rotation, click selection tool, move to left and press S, change scale and select this cylinder. Let's shift D and click ESC, move to back and move to up here and move to front like this. Click 1. Okay, click this icon and move to up. Okay, and back to perspective. Okay, not bad. Okay, so let's make more duplicates. Okay, nice. So in this time, go to add, mesh and cube. Change scale, click tab, edit mode, select this vertex selection and select these two vertex and this vertex and this. Okay, click scale tool and let's change scale and select face selection, select this face, change scale and select this face. Let's right mouse and separate selection and right mouse, set origin and origin to geometry. Okay, and let's shift D click Esc and change scale. Let's scale like this and this, and click Tab, click E, change extrude like this. Okay, and select these elements, right mouse and move to collection, and let's create new collection. Add name dock, click OK. So select this dock and right mouse, select objects and move to here. Okay, we can change scale, go to scale tool and let's try change scale a little bit and change rotation. Okay, so select this dock again, select objects and shift D, click Esc and move to right. Again shift D, click Esc, move to left. Okay, that's good. So finally let's add colors. Let's go to shading and select this model, go to materials, go to click new and change metallic like this. Also select this model, let's use metallic 1 and select this model. Let's go to create new material and change base color to yellow. Also select this, let's use yellow and select this. Let's create new material and change color to green and select this part, use material green, and this, let's create new material, use color red, and this, let's use red, and select this part, let's create new material white. Okay, or we can use black, and this, let's use black material, and this. So let's click render and go to render settings, change render engine cycles and device, also denoise enable, and let's open film and click this checkbox. Okay, go to this icon, let's click color and use environment texture and click open and go to local disk C, program files, Blender Foundation, Blender 4, Blender 4 again, and data files, studio lights, and open world folder. And so right now we can use these ACRI images. Let's select this interior and click open image. Okay, that's good, I like it. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.